Why do 1 in 10 African schoolgirls drop out? The answer might surprise you. Every month, millions of African schoolgirls face a simple yet devastating challenge. They don't have access to sanitary pads. Without them, many girls are forced to stay home, missing out on their education. But it's not just about missing school. It's about missing opportunities to learn, to grow, and to dream. Access to sanitary pads is more than a convenience. It's a lifeline. It's the difference between dropping out and graduating, between feeling ashamed and feeling empowered. When girls have access to sanitary pads, they attend school with confidence. They participate in class, they excel in their studies, and they build a brighter future for themselves and their communities. Let's stand together and ensure that every girl has the chance to stay in school every month. Because when girls thrive, the world thrives. Join us in this mission. Let's make a difference, one pad at a time.